Imagine waking up one day to find the sky clear but deadly. The air we breathe, our atmosphere, is gone. Without warning, a silent death descends upon Earth. The most immediate consequence is the lack of oxygen. Humans and animals alike gasp for breath, their lungs unable to extract the vital gas. Within minutes, unconsciousness sets in, followed swiftly by death. But the absence of air has other terrifying effects. Our bodies, accustomed to the pressure exerted by the atmosphere, would experience a sudden decompression. This could cause internal organs to rupture and blood vessels to burst. Imagine the feeling of a scuba diver surfacing too quickly, but on a global scale. The lack of atmospheric pressure also affects the boiling point of liquids. Water at sea level boils at 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit because of the weight of the atmosphere pressing down on it. Without an atmosphere, the boiling point drops significantly. Rivers, lakes, and even the moisture in our bodies would begin to evaporate. With the atmosphere gone, Earth is exposed to the full force of the sun's radiation. The ozone layer, which normally shields us from harmful ultraviolet rays, is no more. Within minutes, these rays would begin to scorch the planet's surface. Skin cancer rates would skyrocket, and any exposed life would suffer severe burns. The absence of an atmosphere also leads to dramatic temperature fluctuations. During the day, without the atmosphere to scatter and absorb sunlight, the surface temperature would soar to unbearable levels. Imagine the heat of a desert at midday, but magnified many times over. At night, the opposite occurs. Without the atmosphere to trap heat, the surface temperature would plummet to frigid lows. The difference between day and night temperatures would be extreme, making it impossible for any known life to survive. The atmosphere plays a crucial role in shaping our planet's weather patterns. Without it, there would be no wind, rain, or clouds. The water cycle, which depends on evaporation, condensation, and precipitation, would grind to a halt. Earth would be plunged into an eternal drought. Rivers and lakes, already losing water to evaporation, would dry up completely. The once lush landscapes would transform into barren wastelands. Without rain to nourish the soil, plants would wither and die. The intricate web of life that depends on these ecosystems would collapse. The absence of weather also means no more storms, hurricanes, or tornadoes. While this may seem like a positive at first glance, these events play a crucial role in regulating Earth's climate and distributing heat around the globe. Without them, the planet's temperature would become even more extreme and unpredictable. The atmosphere acts as a shield, protecting Earth from countless meteoroids that constantly bombard our planet. Without this natural defense, the surface would be exposed to a relentless barrage of space debris. While larger impacts would be catastrophic, even small meteoroids can cause significant damage over time. Furthermore, the constant bombardment of charged particles from the sun, known as the solar wind, would strip away Earth's magnetic field. This magnetic field is crucial for deflecting harmful radiation and protecting our atmosphere. Without it, Earth would be even more vulnerable to the sun's destructive forces. Over time, the combined effects of extreme temperatures, radiation, and meteoroid impacts would transform Earth's surface into a barren wasteland. The oceans would evaporate, leaving behind vast salt flats. The once teeming planet would become a lifeless rock, a stark reminder of the importance of the delicate balance that sustains life as we know it.